Now question number 5 of 3.5 exercise NCERT books. The question is question number 5. To construct a matrix of order 3 by 4, a matrix of order 3 by 4 where first Aij equal to 1 by 2 mod minus 3I plus j, and the second Aij equal to 2I minus j. Here first we solve a matrix of order 3 by 4 whose elements are given by Aij equal to 1 by 2 mod minus 3I plus j. So let the matrix of order let the matrix of order 3 by 4 is A equal to A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34. Now we find A11. A11. Since Aij equal to 1 by 2 mod minus 3I plus j, so A11 equal to 1 by 2, putting I equal to 1 and j equal to 1 in both sides. So 1 by 2 mod minus 3. Here I equal to 1 plus j equal to 1. This will come 1 by 2 mod minus 2, and this is equal to 1 by 2 into mod minus 2 means 2. You cancel out this equal to 1. Now A12 means 1 by 2. Here 1 I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Mod minus 3 into 1 plus 2. This will come 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 2, mod minus 1, and mod minus 1 equal to 1. This equal to 1 by 2. Here A13 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 1 plus 3. This will come 1 by 2 mod minus 3 plus 3, 0 equal to 0. A14 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 1 plus 4. This will come 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 4 mod 1, and this equal to 1 by 2. Mod 1 means 1. Here a to 1 equal to 1 by 2. Now I equal to 2 and j equal to 1. So mod minus 3 into 2 plus 1, this will come 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 1 mod minus 5. Mod minus 5 means 5. Here this will come 5 by 2. A to 2 a to 2 1 by 2 minus 3 I equal to 2 and j equal to 2. So minus 3 into 2 plus 2. This will come 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 2 mod minus 4, and here this will come 1 by 2 into 4. This equal to 2. A to 3 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 2 plus 3. This will come 1 by 2 mod minus 3. This will come 3 by 2. Now a to 4 equal to 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 2 plus 4. This will come 1 by 2 into minus 6 plus 4 mod minus 2. 1 by 2 into 2 mod minus 2 means 2. This will come 1. A 31 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into I equal to 3 j equal to 1. This will come 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 minus 9 plus 1 minus 8 mod minus 8 means this will comes 1 by 2 into 8 equal to 4. A32 means this will come here 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 plus 2 1 by 2 mod minus 9 plus 2 minus mod minus 7. This will come minus 7 means mod minus 7 means 7 by 2. A33 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 plus 3. This will comes 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 3 minus 6 mod minus 6. This equal to 1 by 2 into 6 equal to 3. Now A34 1 by 2 mod minus 3 into 3 plus 4. This will come 1 by 2 mod minus 9 plus 4 minus 5 equal to mod minus 5 means 5 by 2. Hence the matrix is A equal to A11. Here A11 equal to 1, A12 1 by 2 A13 0, A14 1 by 2, A21 5 by 2, A22 2, A23 3 by 2, A3 A24 1, A31 4, A32 7 by 2, A33 3, and A34 5 by 2. 1 1 by 2 0, 1 by 2 5 by 2 2, 3 by 2 1, 4 7 by 2 3, and 5 by 2. This is a matrix of order 3 by 4. Here second, here Aij is given. Now we solve second part of question number 5, where Aij is given by 2I minus j. Let the matrix second part, let the matrix of order 3 by 4 is A equal to, here Aij is given by 2I minus j. So first we find here A11. A11 means 2 into 1 minus 1. This will come 2 minus 1 1. A12 2 into 2 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. This will come 0. A13 2 into 1 minus 3. This will come minus 1. A14 2 into 1 minus 4. This will come minus 2. Now A21 means 2 into 2 minus 1. This will come 4. 4 minus 1 3. A22 2 into 2 minus 2. 4 4 minus 2 2. A23 2 into 2 minus 3 2. 2 into 2 4 4 minus 3 1. A24 2 into 2 minus 4. This will come 0. Here A31 2 into 3 minus 1. Here 2 into 3 6. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. A32 2 into 3 minus 2. 6 6 minus 2 4. This will come 4. A33 2 into 3 minus 3 means 6 minus 3 equal to 3. A34 2 into 3 minus 4. This will come 6 minus 4 2. Hence the matrix is equal to A11. A11, this will come 1, A12, A120, A13 minus 1, A14 minus 2, A21, A21 means 3, A22, 2, A23, 1, A24, 0, A31, A31, 5, A32, 4, A33, 3, A34, 2. This is matrix of order 3 by 4. Next question is question number 6. Question number 6. Find the value of x, y, z from the following matrices. Find the value of x, y, z from the following matrices. First, 4, 3, x, 5 equal to y, z, 1, 5. The second given, x plus y 2, 5 plus z, xy equal to 6, 2, 5, 8. And last third is given x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z, matrix x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z equal to 9, 5, 7. Here first we solve part 1. We know that if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. Here 4, 3, x, 5 equal to y, z, 1, 5. Corresponding elements here A11, 4, here B11. 4 equal to y, 3 equal to Z and X equal to 1. Here 5 equal to 5 given. This implies that 4 equal to Y, comma 3 equal to Z and X equal to 1. Hence answer is X equal to 1, Y equal to 4 and Z equal to 3. This is the answer. In second, now we solve second part. Second is given X plus Y to 5 plus Z XY equal to 6 2 5 8. Here we know that if two vertices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. Means X plus Y equal to 6. This implies that X plus Y equal to 6. There, this is equation number 1. And XY equal to this equal to 6, XY equal to 8, and 5 plus Z equal to 5. XY equal to 8. This is equation number 2, and 5 plus Z equal to 5. This is equation number 3. Now solving equation number 1, 2, 3 from equation 3 we get 5 plus Z equal to 5. This implies that Z equal to 0. From equation 1, putting the value of X, X equal to 6 minus Y in equation number 2, we have 6 minus Y into Y equal to 8. This implies that Y square minus 6Y plus 8 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now solving, if I try this Y minus 4, Y minus 2 equal to 0. This implies that Y equal to 4 or Y equal to 2. Putting the value of Y in X equal to 6 minus Y, if we taken Y equal to 4, X equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. If we taken Y equal to 2, X equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Hence answer is X equal to 4 or 2, Y equal to 2 or 4, and Z equal to 0. This is the answer. Now we solve part 3. Part 3 is for your homework. This question for your homework. Can you compare, since two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. X plus y plus z equal to 9, x plus z equal to 5, y plus z equal to 7. You subtract equation number 2 from 1, you get the value of y, and subtract equation number 3 from 1, you get the value of x. And putting the value of x and y in equation number 1, you get the value of z. Here answer is x equal to 2 and y equal to 4 and z equal to 3. You solve this question as a homework. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is find the value of A, B, C, D. If matrix A minus B, 2A plus C, 2A minus B, 2C plus D equal to minus 1, 5, 0, 13. Here we have to find the value of A, B, C, D. If A minus B, 2A plus C, 2A minus B, 2C plus D equal to minus 1, 5, 0, 13. We know that solution here. We know that if the two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. Their corresponding elements are equal. Therefore, A minus B, 2A plus C, 2A minus B, 2C plus D equal to minus 1, 5, 0, 13. Their corresponding elements are equal. This implies that A minus B equal to minus 1. This is equation number 1. Here 2A minus B equal to 0. This is equation number 2. 2A plus C equal to 5 and 2C plus D equal to 13. This is equation number 3. Here equation number 4. First we solve equation number 1 and 2. From 1, into subtract 1 by 2, 2a minus a, and here we cancel out, this will come to 1, a equal to 1. Putting the value of a in equation number 3, so 2 into 1 plus c equal to 5, this implies that c equal to 3. Now putting the value of c in equation number 4, 2 into 3 plus d equal to 13, this will comes d equal to 13 minus 6, 7. Here if we put a equal to 1 in equation number 1, 1 minus b equal to minus 1. This implies that b equal to 2. b equal to 2. Hence answer is a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3, and d equal to 7. A equal to 1, b equal to 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1, a equal to 1 and c equal to 3. 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 3 5. 2a minus b, a equal to 1, b equal to 2. 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. Here c equal to 3. So 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 7 equal to 13. This answer is correct. Now question number Question number 8. Question number 8 is the objective type questions. Given if a equal to aij, ej is of order m by n, ej is square matrix. Then there are 4 option is given. First option, m less than n. Second option, m greater than n. Third option, m equal to n. And 4 option, none of these. We know that a matrix is said to be square matrix if number of rows equal to the number of columns, means m equal to n. So option number 3 is correct answer. Now we solve question number 9. Question number 9 also a objective type question. Which of the given value of x and y make a following pair of matrices equal. Two matrices given. First, 3x plus 7, 5, y plus 1, 2 minus 3x. And second matrix is given 2, y minus 2, 8, 4. Here we have to find the value of x and y such that these two matrices are equal. Here first we consider an option is given. First option, x equal to 1 by minus 1 by 3, y equal to 7. Second option is given, not possible to find. Third option is given, y equal to 7 and x equal to minus 2 by 3. And fourth option is given, x equal to 1 by 3 and y equal to 2 by 3. If we consider first option is correct here, then x equal to minus 1 by 3 and y equal to 7. Here if we put y equal to 7, the 7 plus 1, 8 is correct. And here if we put x equal to minus 1 by 3, 3 into minus 1 by 3, 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 7, this will come minus 6, not equal to 0. So this option is wrong answer, wrong option. Now here we check option number third, y equal to 7 and x equal to minus 2 by 3. Y equal to 7, 7 plus 1, 8. This equal to 8 equal to 8. Means y is correct. And here we check x equal to minus 2 by 3. If we put x equal to minus 2 by 3, this will come 3 into minus 2 by 3 plus 7. Cancel out here. Minus 2 plus 7. Minus 2 plus 7, here 5 will come. Not equal to 0. But if we put here x equal to minus 2 by 3, 2 minus 3 into minus 2 by 3, this cancel out. Here 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Means this element equal to 4. But if we take a minus 2 by 3, so this not equal to 0. So this option is also a wrong option. Now we check option number 4. Here we get, if we take y plus 1 equal to 8, this gives y equal to 7. If we take 2 by 3, y plus 1 not equal to 8. At last, we cannot find the value of x. So option number second option is correct. Not possible to find the value of x and 5. There is no pair. In the out of these options, there is no pair which satisfy such that both matrices are equal. Now we solve question number 10. The number of possible matrices of order 3 into 3 with entry 0 or 1. The 4 option is given. (27). Second option is given 18. Third option is given 81, and fourth option is given 512. Here solution. If you consider a matrix of order 3 by 3, let A be a matrix of order 3 by 3, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Here in this matrix there are 9 elements, and each elements are either 0 or 1. Means for each element there are 2 options. Either it is 0 or 1. A11 equal to 0 or 1. Means there are 2 choices for A11. Similarly, A12 have 2 choices, A13 have 2 choices, A21 have 2 choices, A22 have 2 choices, A23 have 2 choices, A31 have 2 choices, and A32 have 2 choices. At last, A33 have 2 choices. Means for each element there are 2 choices. Therefore, total number of choices equal to 2 into 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 2. This is choice for A11. This is choice for A12. This is choice for A13. This is choice for A21. This is for A22. This is for A23. This is for A31. This is for A32, and this is for A33. So total number of choices equal to 2 to the power 9. This will comes 512. So number of possible matrices equal to 512. Here option number 4th option is correct option. Dear student, टॉपिक को अच्छे से समझने के लिए मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियो पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3 और पार्ट 4 को अच्छे से देखिए। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन अगर आप सॉल्व करते हैं तो श्योर है कि सभी क्वेश्चन आपकी समझ में आएगा और आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। तो आप पहले मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियो पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3, पार्ट 4 को देखिए, उसके बाद क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।